Team, we have a patient scheduled for a laparoscopic cholecystectomy later today. Mr. Paul has a history of gallstones and has been experiencing abdominal pain and nausea.
Dr. Mihira, what are the potential risks associated with this procedure?
As with any surgery, there are risks involved. Bleeding, infection, and damage to nearby organs are potential complications. However, the risk of complications is relatively low with laparoscopic surgery.
What should we be aware of during the procedure?
Monitor Mr. Paul's vital signs closely and be prepared to respond to any changes. We should also be aware of the potential for gas leaks during the procedure.
Dr. Mihira, will Mr. Paul need to stay in the hospital overnight?
Most patients can be discharged on the same day if the surgery goes smoothly. However, we'll need to monitor his recovery and ensure he's stable before discharge.
MIHIRA, quitting smoking is a significant challenge, but it's important to remember that many people have successfully quit, and so can you. To start, setting realistic goals is crucial. Rather than aiming to quit overnight, we can create a gradual plan that works for you. For example, you might begin by reducing the number of cigarettes you smoke each day until you feel ready to quit entirely. We'll also work together to develop a personalized quitting plan that addresses your specific needs and concerns. This plan will include strategies to manage withdrawal symptoms, such as using nicotine patches or gum to ease the transition. Avoiding temptation is another key aspect, MIHIRA. Changing your routines can be very effective. If you usually smoke with your morning coffee, try drinking tea instead or going for a short walk. Staying active can also help distract you from cravings and improve your overall mood and health. Additionally, having a support system in place can make a big difference. This might include joining a smoking cessation group, where you can share your experiences and learn from others who are on the same journey. Remember, MIHIRA, it's okay to have setbacks. Each attempt to quit brings you closer to success. The important thing is to keep trying and to use the resources available to you. We're here to support you every step of the way. By taking it one day at a time and using the tools and support available, you can achieve your goal of quitting smoking.